Hello, this is Baptiste, CEO at Crisp, and today I'm going to show you how to install Crisp inside an Android app. Crisp is a messaging platform that allows your customers to connect with the team. Using Crisp, your users will be able to ask questions right from your Android app. Also, they will be able to share files and videos. Finally, it will be possible to browse an FAQ right from your Android app. The Crisp SDK is fully native and you can include it in an Android app made with Java or Kotlin. In this video tutorial, we're going to include Crisp live chat inside a sample project made with Java. So let's get down to it. So in this video tutorial, we're going to use a demo app using Java. So first, we're going to have to update the repository for Crisp. So we copy this and then go to our app. So we just paid the snippet so we can include the Crisp maven. So now next, we're going to have to embed Crisp. So we're going to have to embed the Crisp SDK. And if you're using Android X, we're going to have to include this as well. Like this. And now we copy this. So we copy this if we are using Android X, and if not, you're going to use that instead. Let's go. We can synchronize the project. So now we're gonna have to initiate Crisp. So normally we would have to initiate Crisp from an application class. But here we're gonna go very simple and include Crisp right from the main activity. So I include Crisp like this. I import Crisp, and we're gonna need our website ID. So to get the website ID, you're gonna have to go to app.crisp.chat. Then you go to settings, website settings, and then you go to your website. Setup instructions, and we have the website ID right there. So we're gonna use this website ID. And now we're gonna launch Crisp. So very easy, we're gonna start the activity. We just import intent and chat activity. And now we're gonna start the project. So as you can see, Crisp is now working. So we can send a message. Hello there. So for this website, Crisp is configured to automatically reply using a bot. So we can go to our inbox and see the message. Perfect. And we can obviously reply from the inbox. And as you can see, I have my message inside the Android app. It's now the end of this video tutorial. As you can see, installing Crisp inside an Android project is pretty simple. If you have any question, feel free to reach us at crisp.chat. Also, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss any update. Thank you. Bye-bye.